Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International, and today we are going to learn about the concept of light, lighter and lightest. Are you ready? Look at the three objects. You can see an apple, you can see watermelon, and you can see what? A strawberry. Well, if I ask you to pick up or lift up these three fruits, what do you think? Which is going to be the heaviest one? Obviously, the watermelon. And which is going to be the lightest one? Strawberry. Great. Now look at these three objects. You can see that a pomegranate is a light one, an apricot is a lighter one, and the strawberry is the lightest one. Great. Now you have to write 1 for the light one, 2 for the lighter one, and 3 for the lightest one. Are you ready? Well, the bag will get number 1 because it is the light one. Book will get the number 2 because it is the lighter one. And the pencil will get the number 3 because it is the lightest one. Great. Now let's have fun time. With the help of your teacher, use a hanger, paper cups and strings to make a hanger. Enjoy the experiment with different objects, for example, pencils, crayons, razors, sharpeners, to find which one is heavier.